Well, I have just had probably the best, most interesting check-in experience I've ever had in any hotel. What a marvellous young lady who checked me in and informed me they knew I was a travel blogger. I hadn't told them. I'm not that kind of thing. I pay all my own bookings, and it's just my humble opinion. But anyway, great conversation. And she had a really good way of thinking about things. Really positive ideas she gave me. So yeah, what a great check-in. And this is looking like a great room. So yeah, it is the Queen standard executive room on the 3rd floor. Pull that back. Lovely. What's it like? I stayed in the Renaissance. Yeah, soft, firm. That's a good bed. We're happy. I can't stand a bed if you just wallow into it. Anyway, that's what we came for. Runway views. And my guess is the planes are on arrivals. So we should see some quite interesting stuff out of this window, which is great, especially when you have a plane spotting channel. So if that is your thing and that's the reason why you're looking at the Renaissance Hotel, please check out my other channel, some Bloke Plane Spotting. If that's not your thing to watch, you can watch the huge, bigger TV. Good little sign for our international travellers, with an international plug and a UK 3-pin. Luggage rack, nice mirror, a little bit of art, tea and coffee, some complimentary water. I like this touch. I like the coffee cup, probably left over from the pandemic, and a proper mug for the room. So if I want to make myself a coffee or a cup of tea and take it outside and watch the planes with a bit of noise, I can do that. That's a good sign. I like that. We have a safe which will fit a laptop, which is handy. I even have a fluffy robe and some slippers. Most importantly, an ironing board. Big red flag for me is an airport hotel that doesn't have one of those. I lifted the seat up when I was shooting my TikTok video. Yes, we are even on TikTok. Just show you it's spotless, as is the rest of the bathroom. And quite wonderfully today, we are in a bathroom. How cool is that? No little bottles of smellies, but plenty of good smellies on the wall, saving the environment, which is a good thing, as are fluffy towels. Not sure what order of importance it should be. But anyway, let's finish this off with our executive view of the runway, and I suppose the next stop should be the executive lounge.